আজকে আমাদের ফ্যামিলি ডক্টরস মেডিকেল সার্ভিসের ওয়েবসাইট লঞ্চ হচ্ছে আর 14 নভেম্বর চিলড্রেন ডে। আজকে এই দিনে ওয়েবসাইট লঞ্চ করছে আমাদের এমডি ডক্টর মনোজিৎ পাল। আমি ওনাকে এই মঞ্চে ডাকার জন্য আমন্ত্রিত করছি।
আমাকে এই সুযোগটা দেওয়া হয়েছে তার জন্য থ্যাঙ্কস। তো আমি অফিশিয়াল ওয়েবসাইটের অ্যাড্রেসটা লিখছি www.fdms.co.in। সো ফ্যামিলি ডক্টর মেডিকেল সার্ভিসের ওয়েবসাইট, অফিশিয়াল ওয়েবসাইট আমি আরেকবার বলছি www.fdms.co.in। Now I am entering. So it has come. So this is our official website. Here is front the home page, Family Doctors Medical Services, FDMS. We have a helpline number 9800698298. It's a 24/7 healthcare solution for all under one roof. This is the home page. So welcome to Family Doctor Medical Services. Next, our vision and mission. Next is services at FDMS. In short, it is written here. If you want to see all the services in details, you can go directly from here, view all services. If you click, then immediately you go to that services page. And at एकदम नीचे आप देख पा रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे फोटो गैलरी भी है। हमारा पूरा फोटो गैलरी यहाँ पे है, जितना फोटोज हम लोग अभी तक जो काम किए हैं उसका फोटोज है। On the right hand side आपको मिलेगा, you can see here the announcements from our company, whatever the thing is coming, that announcement. The next is your North Bengal Medical College and Hospital, ambulance service, whatever, anybody can advertise with us. And the next, you can see here downward, it is directly connected to Facebook. So there is our Facebook account, FDMS at Siliguri, you can see. So we can go to the next page and see what it comes. The next page is about FDMS. If we click on about FDMS, it opens the second page. And about FDMS, you can see why Family Doctor Medical Services. Of the services, you can see one by one and go and specialist doctors consultation. If you click on that, immediately the page will direct you to the specialist doctors consultation like this. So you can see it comes here, specialist doctors consultation. So like this, if you want to see the other services, it will also direct. Just by clicking, it will guide you and direct you towards that services. The next one is our panel. There are doctors in our panel, there are laboratories, there are hospitals and nurses, specialist doctors. Next is healthcare, health checkup doctors, and the last one is emergency on-call doctors. So if you come to specialist doctors, there's a panel of specialty will come. You can see all one by one, the panel of doctors, like a physician, cardiologist, neurologist, skin specialist, chest specialist, general and laparoscopic surgeon, orthopedic surgeon, neurosurgeon, gastroenterologist, eye specialist, ENT specialist, obstetrics, gynecology, and so on and so on. Dietitian, physiotherapist, everybody is there. Panel, so doctors and specialist doctors, and directly you go to chest specialist and click on it. Okay, so it comes. And next is like registration. If you want to register with us for member, old age health checkup packages, school health checkup packages. If you want to see one of these, there will be, click on it. So family health checkup packages, if you just click on it, it will open. Immediately it will direct you to that page where it is written. Yeah, now you can see it is Family Doctors Medical Services and Family Health Checkup Packages. So you can go to the details of it. And the next is our gallery, where you will be able to see whatever the pictures are there. Like you want to see the Family Doctor Medical Services medical seminar at Malbazar, and you click, immediately that page will open and you can see the photos directly, and the photos will come. So you can see all the photos here in our gallery. So like this the photos are coming. Now if you want to contact with FDMS, click on contact FDMS and the page will open. You can see our detailed address, contact FDMS. You can see our, now it has come. You can see our detailed address here, contact FDMS address. It's a Family Doctor Medical Service, 800-698-298, same as our helpline number, and the other mobile number which is being used for our ambulance services. Here you can see, so 24 hours ambulance available, but if you call on this number, that is the second number, 9735816357. And we have our email ID, info. So this is Family Doctors Medical Services, directly given the location with the address on the Google map. If you want to search, you can search by the map as well. And here you can see on the right hand corner, fill the below details and we will call you back. Here you can write your name with email address, mobile number, your comments, and if you want to send us some file, you can upload the file, browse here from your computer, upload the file and then directly submit to, and we'll just go back to the home page of our website, and it is always welcoming all of you to our website, Family Doctors Medical Services.